Hello, welcome back. It is me, Naturalee'LaTree, and checking in with you all. Getting ready to head out. Need to make a run, a couple of quick stops. So I need you all to help me stay focused because I need to run a couple errands. The goal is to go into the store. I think maybe 2 stores. I'm thinking I'm gonna run back to Kohl's, but first I'm gonna stop by Walmart. What I'm looking for is 2 nice, either full or queen size air mattresses. Nice ones, okay? Nice price, something comfortable that's gonna stay inflated. Cause the only one we have here is a twin size one that we had got when we traveled out to Miami. So I already got an air compressor. What do you call it? Yeah, the air thing, air blower. But anyway, help me stay focused. Get to the store, get that, get those, get back. And well, what it is at Kohl's, they had a couple of really nice robes I kept looking at. And I'm thinking that's great gift ideas. So if I can get in there, stay focused, robes back out the door, air mattresses back out the door, that's the goal. So come with me, Naturalee'LaTree. Come shopping with me. Oh, a day in my life, a day in my holiday life. I've been doing good. I haven't been going out shopping every day. It may look like it, but I haven't. But I'm trying to get things done around the house, and these are some things that I need for the guests that are coming for the holiday. Got to stay ahead of the game. Oh yeah, there is one more gift idea that I been planning to get to Walmart for. One more thing, so pretty much 3 things. But I can't really say what the other thing is on camera. I can't say what it is because I just never know who's watching. I hope everyone's watching, but I don't want the gift ideas to seep out to the wrong person. So I hope you understand that. Okay, let's hit it. It's never a quick run. My intention was to run to 2 different places and get back. But anyway, I just had to stop for gas. Ooh. Had to stop for gas, and then that was a curve. And then I realized I gotta go to the UPS store. They left a sticker to pick up a package. I should turn in right there. Oh, well, I mean, I'm getting it done. I'm getting things done, but there's always more to do than what I actually plan to do. I want y'all to keep me focused, but y'all just don't know. There's always so much to do. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go in the UPS store pickup spot. What they call it? A UPS access? What do they call it? UPS access point. Yes, access point. So that's what I'm about to do. I just want to get in there. Is it on this end? Oh, yep. Right there. Okay, it ain't right next to a Verizon store. I had a question, but I don't know. Alright, getting ready to go into UPS. Ooh, how many people in here? Hello, how are you? Hi. Good, thank you. Excuse me.
So it will be 12 inches by 12 inches.
That many people here.
Bear with me, I'm going to use paper. We'll have you double check my typing, and then we'll get you cashed out.
Okay. Yeah.
I made it into Walmart. Let's see. Let me get the prices right. Okay, so look at this one. I think this would be a comfortable sleep. Pillow top, Durabeam, Dream Luxe Airbed. Queens, okay, 24-inch high. So that looks comfortable to me. It's comfortable. I'm trying to see if it's gonna be the, okay, 15 inches high. Okay, I would prefer the 24 inch high, especially for my mom. So I want to make sure she's comfortable. So that's a go-to for that one. The younger folks, you know, they can sleep a little bit lower if necessary. Okay, but I noticed there's some kind of music playing, so I better hold on a little bit. I don't own rights to the copy music. No rights to the copyright music. Okay, I am back and I am pretty much at the completion of the day. I got the room ready for my mom. She'll be coming in tonight from out of town. I found her this nice robe. Yeah, a really, really nice robe. And trying to put all of the, got her some towels, some little cozy footies. What else I get her? Oh yeah, got her some, you know, some body wash, some soap, loofah, just something so she can have to drink if she needs something to drink while she's sitting up here or whatever. Oh yeah, this was a cute little set. It smells good. It says a scratch and sniff. It smells good, but this is mermaid vibes. I love mermaids, but body lotion, body mist, you know, just something just to get to when she come in. So yeah, won't be long now. I'll be heading out to, you hear something in the background, that's my son playing the video games. But so just got her little spot ready so she could be cozy when she come in. Yep. Okay, but let me see. Anything else I want to show? Other than just the TV over here, but yep. So how much was this robe? This is from this is Sonoma from Kohl's. Yep, and you know, just got her together. So I was able to find, oh, I think you'll see in the beginning of the video where I got those air mattresses. So just look, this is a nice one. Nice one. And it actually hooks into the wall. Didn't even have to have the attachable air pressure. It's built in. So yeah, excellent. I can show it to you one more time. This is the Dora Bean Airbed Advantage. 100% more durable, 35% more supportive, 15% lighter than traditionals. But this is a nice one. Like I said, everything built in, easy to maneuver. But it's let me see. Let's show y'all. Oh yeah, there we go. It is it's a size queen, the size, and it's 24 inches high, so it sits pretty much high as a regular bed. So yeah. So I ended up getting 2 of these because we had other guests coming in for the holiday, so to make sure everybody's gonna be together. So yeah, we just kind of figured out in the last few days that my mom wanted to come in for the holiday. So same for her. She'll be in tonight, and you know, it's gonna be nice. I don't know how she might feel about being on the camera, so I don't know if y'all get to meet her or see her or not. I'm sure you'll hear her somewhere, but yeah, that'll be up to her. So yep. So I don't know if anything else I'm gonna be including in. Oh, I got the bathroom together. Hold on a second. This is the upstairs tree. Just a small tree, shorter tree, and got this here on the wall. I mean, hanging on the door. A wreath. Put that there. And came in. You know, just want to make sure everybody's comfortable. This is actually the boys' bathroom. So their color scheme is normally white, gray, and black. So I added a little pop of red to the occasion. So even with the little, excuse me, I know I'm looking for, but even with the little things I added in, like joy and peace. And the candle might get to stay. Some things, you know, I'll put up, but I think they're cute. But you know, it's still boyish, you know, it's still nice. And these smell amazing, you know. Most of this stuff comes from Walmart. But those are those pine cones again. I'm just gonna let them hang there. They smell so good. It smells so good here. Oh yeah, now put that there. Put that there. Oh yeah, this is something I already had. I put that there. I added a stocking there to the window. I thought about putting a little balance thing. I'm like, oh, if I do, I do. If I don't, it's all good. And then for the shower curtain, I put, this is can be a photo in it, but I didn't put anything in there. That there, then joy, the Santa hat. This right here, I love this one. I kind of feel like I should get 3 more. That one just for me, and then get the boys 3, or even get 4 more so my husband have one. But anyway, the point being, we have 3 sons, so I think that is just adorable. So we have joy, believe, happy holidays. So then I just hung those over the hooks, and then somebody already been here messing up the towel. But yeah, just the towels. But for the most part, that is it. And oh yeah, I added that rug down. The other rugs are here. We'll put the new rug down. Just a couple extra towels laid out there. And that is it. That is it. I don't know if I want to put any covers on the toilet or not, but yeah. So anyway, that's it. So if you this might be the closeout for this Vlogmas day, because this is Naturalee'LaTree Inspires. So thanks for visiting my channel. I'm going to probably make this the closeout for this day. So thanks for coming, hanging out with me, shopping. I did get lots of things done. So let me see. Yeah, this is Vlogmas day 20. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so once again I want to thank you, and until next time, I will talk to you later. Remember, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I will be uploading more videos.